This is my own little paranormal investigation. There are strange noises abroad on the VIncennes campus. Let me turn the low lux. What it is, I think, is I think it might be a steel mill, but it's just too coincidental with all the stuff that's been going on. Especially you, Craig. This is for you. See if I can catch it. Oh, there's one right now. That is so weird. Oh, there's one right now. That is so weird. I caught one on the digital recorder too, so I might just import that. If it's a steel mill, I don't know why it would be, because it is 10 o'clock at night. 10:30 at night. There's no reason why it should be making those noises. There's no logical reason. Do it again, come on. Could it be the end times coming near? Who knows? But it's just strange. Maybe it's the paranormal entities calling out. They're like, there it was again. What the frickin'. We'll analyze the evidence.